What's up everybody? Welcome to another how-to video. In today's video we'll be showing how to make a slingshot. There are many different ways to make a slingshot, but today's slingshot is going to be easy, down and dirty. Make it today, use it today with the things that we have. I need a slingshot for a future video, so today we're going to make it. I've got a temporary workstation set up here with some sawhorses and a sheet of OSB. First we're going to need a stick with a Y shape in it. Here's a couple branches that I cut off one of my trees recently. So let's look for a Y. Here's a Y. Here's a Y. Here is a Y. There is a Y. And another Y. And one more. So we have lots of options. Go out into your local forest or your backyard or wherever and find a good stick with a Y in it. This looks like a good Y. Let's check this one out. Nope. That Y was pretty awful. Let's find a new one. I'm liking this one. It looks pretty robust. This slingshot's going to be a beast. Now that we've selected our Y piece, let's cut it out. Safety glasses on. Alright, we're going to cut here. Here's a quick story while I cut. I previously served in the United States Army, and I invaded Iraq in 2003. When I was over there, I got a slingshot from a kid. I can't remember if he gave it to me or if I traded him something, but that kid knew how to make a slingshot. I had a blast with that thing. That should do it. Okay, next we'll need to cut a couple grooves into the Y ends. That should do it. Then we will need the rubber band. I have a bag of rubber bands here. Let's pull out some of the big ones. These look pretty beefy. Wow, look at this. Let's go with this one. Oh yes.
Oh yes.
Okay, we need it in two pieces, so we're going to cut it in half. Next, we need the pouch that the ammunition will sit in. The optimum material is leather, but I don't have any leather, and I really don't feel like ruining any of my clothes or my belts, so we're going to substitute duct tape. Fold up the duct tape a few times to get it nice and thick. And that will do the job. Now we need a couple holes in the ends for the rubber band to go through. Now let's feed through our rubber band. Once the rubber band is through, you need to tie it off. For that, we will use a smaller rubber band. it nice and tight. Now let's do the other side. Feed it through the same way. This one goes through back, so this will go through back as well.
Explain how to tie it on. What? Explain how to tie it on.
Wrap it around a few times nice and tight. Then we'll tie a knot. Okay. Now the pouch is complete. Next we'll attach it to the Y stick. And that gets attached the same way. Okay, we're going to use a small rubber band to attach it to the stick. This is where the grooves that we cut will help. One more. Okay, now the slingshot is complete. And you can cut a small hole here to center and locate the projectile that you're going to shoot. So that concludes the slingshot build, the quick and easy, down and dirty, build it with what you have and use it today slingshot. This slingshot is going to be featured in an upcoming video, so hit the subscribe and smash the like, and I'll see you in the next video. Let's try this way. Oh, that way sucks. Dang it, that one sucks too. All these Ys suck.